How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact day trades I took today, some being with options, others being with futures. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss on any of my upcoming videos. First trade I took today was on ES, but I took this based off a SPY level. I was looking for a break below this 441.11 to go short on ES. I announced this inside team bull in my channel, went short on ES, which is futures, caught a beautiful move down. I ended my day trading futures right at 15,000 with my all my accounts linked together. If you're interested in funded accounts, check out the description below. But let me talk about how to manage a trade once you go into a gap fill. Okay, so let's look at ES here, since this is what I took the trade on. So we got in when it broke below, we went short. So personally, how I would have handled this, let's go to the 5 minutes so we get a little closer look here. So we entered, for me, how I would have stopped out of this trade if we held above this, if we got, the bid back above this level that we entered, and we broke above this 9 EMA and possibly this 20 EMA as well. I would probably got out of this trade and waited for a later entry, but that didn't happen. It did exactly what we wanted to. The only thing I wish I'd done is left runners, right? As you can see, if I'd held all day, it would have been a game changer. A lot of members inside Team Bull took this exact short position on ES with me. Another trade I took today, and this is the exact buy trade I took as well, but let's look at SPX. For those that's been with me for a while, you know I'm watching SPX, SPY, and ES when I'm trading. I could be trading SPY options, or I could be trading ES, or I could be trading SPX options, which I rarely trade SPX options. I tend to stick with SPY options and ES. Now, the bounce I took today was this 4400 area on SPX. So we had a nice push down. It lined up nearly perfect with that gap fill on the daily time frame on SPY chart as well. Huge support on SPX. We got in with calls right at it, added more. Let's go to SPY now. I know I'm switching back and forth a lot, but trying to give you my thought process, let you in on my thought process. Let me zoom out just a little here. Basically, right here was our first entry. Second entry was right here, and we caught the bounce up here. Over a 20% trade. I trimmed twice, so I handled this a little differently than I usually do. I got in here, we had to push up, trim close to 20% in profit. I said, okay, if we push down to that 438.28, that's the main area I wanted anyway. So I'm going to re-add. I added to my position again, back to a full position, push back up. I trimmed again up here, and it come back down and stopped me out at what I paid for the remaining contracts. So it turned into a very nice trade. I ended my day right at 3,000 on options trading, and right at 15,000 on futures trading. Again, these kind of videos help you all out. If you'd like to see something, if you'd like me to make a video on a particular subject, just let me know. You can DM me on Instagram, leave it in the comments. If you're not following me on Threads, the new app that Instagram has put out, is pretty much competing with Twitter. Go follow me on that. You can find it on my Instagram. It should be right at where the description is. That's all I have for this video. I hope these help you out. Again, if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.